Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator, all you have to do is to enter the settings. Then let's scroll down to find the battery option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the battery percentage. All you have to do is to tap on this switcher, and as you can see your device will show the percentage inside the battery icon. Unfortunately, we do not have any other options, so we cannot show it, for example, next to the battery icon, only inside. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.